Hello everyone, this is Kritika from Management Studies, Dr. NGP Arts and Science College. In this video, I am going to share something about the introduction to entrepreneurship. So, entrepreneurship meaning, characteristics, entrepreneur versus manager, quality of successful entrepreneur, functions of entrepreneur, intrapreneur. Let us see the meaning of entrepreneur. The word entrepreneur has derived from a French word which means go between or to undertake. The entrepreneur is defined as someone who has the ability and desire to establish, administrate and succeed in the startup venture along with the risk entitled to it to make profit. Entrepreneur is starting of new business venture. Entrepreneurs are often known as a source of new idea or innovator and bringing new ideas in the market by replacing the old with the new innovations. So entrepreneur is a person who does all the activities in case of organization and who also brings loyalty to the society at the same time, who takes a huge risk and which in turn enjoys the profit. So he or she will be taking care of the business and they will be administrator and they will be a team leader, they will be a manager. All the work in the organization will be done by a single person and that single person will be called as an entrepreneur. So the example can be an n number of successful entrepreneurs are there in case of our world. So the Naturals owner Veena Kumaravel, then in case of Ramraj Industries, Nagarajan are all the examples of a successful entrepreneurs. Characteristics of entrepreneurship: ability to take risk, innovation, visionary and leadership quality, open-minded, flexible, know your products. So these 7 are the characteristics of an entrepreneur. In case of an entrepreneur they like to take more risk. More the risk, more the return will be the nature. Innovation, they will be bringing new ideas and new things into their field, so which helps to differentiate them from the other person. At the same time it makes them a successful entrepreneur. So in case of an Ramraj itself, during the pandemic situation, they brought some new thing in their industry, which is nothing but they introduced the t-shirts for at home. So even an individual can, or the household men can wear the t-shirt while they are working or while they are at home, which made a difference in case of their field. So usually the entrepreneurs are innovators. Next, leadership qualities. They will be able to coordinate among the team. They will be knowing the each and every individuals. With that, in SWOT analysis, they will be able to grab the work from the persons. So, which is very important. In case of a good leader, there are n number of leaders in our industries or in our country. Easy or and best example can be the Captain Dhoni. He is a good player, at the same time he is a good leader. He has brought Mary Lawrence's to the India also. Next, open-minded. So in case of entrepreneurs, they will be more open-minded. So they will be focusing more on the things. At the same time they will be focusing more on the futures. They will be able to succeed in the field. Flexible in case of they will be able to adapt to the changes in the environment. At the same time they will be able to bring some differences to the customers. According to the customer need, they will be able to deliver the product, which is a unique feature of the entrepreneur. Know your product. So another major characteristic is entrepreneur. First, they must know what the product they are selling to their customers. So, and based on that the product demand has to be also analyzed. So based on that, if they are producing, definitely they will be able to make profit and they will be able to eliminate the loss. So these 7 are the characteristics of entrepreneurship. Next is importance of entrepreneurship. Why entrepreneurship is important? Because of the following reasons. First one is creation of employment, innovation, impact on society and community development, increasing standard of living, support research and development. First one, creation of employment. So they are able to give employment to the n number of people. They will be choosing the right person for the right job. They will be creating the employment opportunities in their society. If they are bringing a new unit in their society or in their environment, they at the time the local peoples can be used, so which reduces the unemployment. Innovation. Next, impact on society and community development. So they are bringing the employment. So it helps in reducing the poverty in the society, and which helps the country or the nation to move to the next level, because an individual will be getting the income. With that income, they will be able to make some service. So with the service, it is a cycle which will be helping the country, which results in the increase in per capita income of the country, increase in standard of living. Nowadays, the standard of living or the lifestyle of the people has changed due to the Globalization and Privatization Act, which has allowed many companies to come into our country. So likewise, our standard of living has changed. So our standard of living is increased, and nowadays the customers are aware about the products. So last one is the R&D. Entrepreneurs usually they will be doing the research, that is they will try to find out what is next, so which helps them to bring new products into the market. So these are the importance of entrepreneurship. Next, entrepreneur versus manager. The term entrepreneur is a French origin word which means go between or between takers. An entrepreneur is a person who creates a new enterprise by assembling inputs, that is land, labor and capital, for production purpose. He assumes all the risk and uncertainty in order to achieve profit and growth of the business venture, by identifying new opportunities and combining resources for the purpose of capitalizing them. So now only we saw the characteristics, importance of entrepreneur. So an entrepreneur is an individual who will be taking care of all the functions or all the activities of organization. For that he will be taking risk, and uncertainties will be bad, and also the profit and growth will be enjoyed. Next, the definition of manager. The term manager, we mean a person who gets the things done through his subordinates with the aim of accomplishing business opportunities, objectives efficiently, effectively. The 5 primary functions of manager are planning, organizing, directing and motivating, coordination and control. So a manager is a person who will be working under some person, and he will be coordinating the subordinates, and he will be allocating the work, and he will be taking care of other responsibilities in the organization. So as a whole, he or she will be involved in managerial activities of the organization. So this is the 2 basic differences between the entrepreneur and the manager. Next is the comparison between the entrepreneur and the manager. Meaning, entrepreneur refers to a person who creates enterprise by taking financial risk in order to get profit. So entrepreneur will be the person who is creating or bringing some new business into the world, whereas a manager is an individual who takes a responsibility of controlling and administrating the organization. So managerial activities, focus, business startup. So they will be bringing new business, or they will be starting some new ideas in the organization. So manager ongoing operations, primary motivation, achievement, power. So entrepreneur will be focusing more on achievement. They try to achieve more in the field and grow in their field. Here in case of manager is having only the power to execute the things which is being said by the entrepreneur. Approach to task, informal, formal. So informal, because of the owner of the organization, they will be doing some basic things, whereas in case of manager, formal, so they will be taking care of all the activities in recording as well as filing. All those things will be done by the manager. Status, owner, employee. Reward, profit, salary. Decision making, intuitive, calculative. So they will be an initiator or they will be an innovator, whereas in case of manager will be calculating. They will be more active, at the same time they are being expert in the particular field. So simply an entrepreneur can be called as a multitasker. So decision, next, driving forces, creativity and innovation. So entrepreneurs will be always a creativity. They will be doing more innovations in the work. Next, pursuing status quo. So they will be acting according to the allocated work. Risk orientation. An entrepreneur usually will be a risk taker, whereas here is a risk averse. That is, an entrepreneur always loves to take risk. For that risk, he or she will be enjoying the profit. Risk averse, they restrict to take the risk when compared to the entrepreneurs. So these are the qualities of entrepreneur. Intrapreneur. So an intrapreneur is an employee who is tasked with developing an innovative idea or a project within a company. The entrepreneur may not face the outside risk or reap the outside reward of an entrepreneur. However, the intrapreneur has access to the resources and capability of an established company. Thank you.